Hello again everybody and welcome to another hand feeding. Today we have cockatiels. These are 6 in here. These are the last 6 of my last biggest batches. These are kind of all the stragglers and the singles, varying ages and varying stages of weaning. Here we have a standard grade. This is the youngest and the most enthusiastic still for a hand feeding. Oh yeah, he wants a little something something. There we go. This guy will still be on 4 hand feedings a day for next week or so. He is getting pretty close. Oh, I got some lovebirds and connors coming in for a visit. When all the birds are older, it's just a little chaotic around here. And he's not taking a full hand feeding, but almost. He is getting a little messy. That's the first sign that he is beginning to wean. This is the middle of the day hand feeding, so they take a little less during the day. They eat more in the morning and at night. He's still got a good appetite. He is the youngest of them all. He is not fazed by the connors and lovebirds around him. They're well used to each other by now. That'll do for him. Messy little bugger. You can go in here. I don't want him flying around quite yet. Oh no, he's gone. Next we have, here we go, a gray white face, or a cinnamon white face. He'll take a little bit. This is a beautiful bird, almost like a monochrome cockatiel. Very pretty bird. He's not taking very much at all. He's just kind of playing with the syringe. He's not latching on at all. Just kind of making a mess, but it's important to know that it is there for them. You have that option to eat. Oh, there he goes. I lose a lot of tissue paper like that. How would you? Do you want some more? No. How would you? No, he's gone too. Next we have, try this guy. Big reach. A cinnamon white-faced pearl. This is another beautiful bird. Oh my goodness, this one's so pretty. And again, as you can see, they're not latching on. They're more playing with the. No, you gotta go now. Playing with the syringe. You try to control their head a little bit and get them to feed, but birdie on the camera, get out. Not much enthusiasm for a feeding, but he want to play a bit. He's going to be coming out more later. I'm going there. Or guest spot. No, you. Yeah. You're very cute. There we go. Another cinnamon white-faced pearl. See, this guy's will be a little hungrier. A little more of a latch on. There we go. He's not eating very fast. He's not eating very much. Maybe 1-2 cubic centimeters of food. That's about it. You can go in here with the rest. You'll come out later for a playtime. Let's go to big guy next. Another cinnamon white face. Such a pretty batch, these guys. Again, they're taking a little bit, mostly just for comfort, for play. Tomorrow he won't be getting the midday hand feeding. And he can fly off. He's older, he can go play with the connors. Lastly, we have a special case. This poor little guy, he was mauled pretty badly in the nest box by his parents. They overpreened him quite badly on his wings. He's having problems growing in the feathers. They're doing so, but slowly. He will not be going available for adoption for quite a while, if ever. And I'm not sure if I'll be letting the parents have another clutch if that's what they do. But he can still fly after a fashion. His feathers are growing in, but slowly. We'll have to see what the future holds for him. But he is a sweet birdie. He's getting more extra attention, so he's going to be quite friendly. We just have to keep him around. But until then, you can go in here. Now they all want to come out to play, but not going to happen. Yeah, playtime later. I got birds everywhere. See which ones want to come in for a little bit extra. Got a lovey flying around here. There we go. That's the hand feeding for all the for the last batch of cockatiels. Some of these guys will start to be available for their new homes starting in probably 3 weeks. Younger ones are going to take a little while longer. Alrighty, have a good one.